Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can enlarge columns in your Elementor WordPress website. So first of all, let me go here and click on edit with Elementor. So make sure that you have installed Elementor WordPress plugin. So let me go to plugin sections, and here you can see this one, Elementor Pro, and now Element page builder is loading. So now let's add a new container. And now I want to add some element. So for example, let me select icon box, this one, let me drag it, and now let me go and add the background. Okay, this one. And then now let me go back and change this icon and text color to the black. Now let me go back to the container settings and then go to advanced tab. So let me add some padding, for example 30. So now let me go back to the style. Then you can copy this background color, and after that you can go to border, then click on hover, and after that you can add a solid color border, then add the border color. So make sure that you should add here exact color code that you have added for the background. So now let me add here, for example, from the top 30, then bottom 30. So now if I go here and click on publish button, now let me reload this page, and then here you can see it's working fine.